and also the issue of MPs, nini, and also the women that spoke.
Yep.
What is your pick from Sunday? Unaona kaa Sunday kulikuwa kuna kaaje?
First, I think the president has felt and seen that Mount Kenya is running away. Mount Kenya doesn't want his rhetoric and how do you call them? His lies, in short.
Okay.
So he's back again to using the strategy that he used last time, of course, through the church. Like we keep on saying that church is a good form. Unfortunately, that is where you'll get vulnerable people. As long as tu umekapuna church, people will believe you, regardless of who you are. Ukuwe muuaji, ukuwe nani. As long as go through church, these people will believe you. Like, yeah, even before the president was voted in as the president, we used to see, we have clips of him akilia kwa kanisa akiombesha, you see.
By the
And of course, watu wana Christians wakajitanisha na yeye. This is our guy, this is our person, this is our member, you know. So no wonder hiyo kadi yake ya kanisa ilikula. So now, currently, the other politically Mount Kenya kuna venye inagonga mwamba. Are you getting? Sasa the only way kuingia Mount Kenya is through the church again, unfortunately. See? Na anaingia Mount Kenya through which church? Through a church that has immense support of Gen Z. We all understand what happened in ile siku ya maandamano na Gen Z.
Yeah.
A lot happened. Dirty scenes, dirty memories. And of course, Pastor wa JCM, Mr. Kiengei, Bishop Kiengei alisema kwa one of the burials ya kijana mmoja mwenye aliuawa, alisema he can never host William Ruto, or rather those people, those MPs, or those MPs wale wenye those wale MPs wenye walipitisha finance bill.
Hata ikubali politician waongee kwa kanisa.
So seeing the moment I saw that invite ati Ruto atakuwa anaenda JCM, first I thought it was a lie. It was a propaganda. Because me I know stand ya Kiengei alisema haizi host William Ruto kwa church yake, you see. So the moment I'm seeing the poster that he'll be attending the church, I was like, how true is this? So sasa kesho yake kafika and I saw the motorcade, the security. Nikajua bas, this guy is going.
As you have said earlier.
Yeah.
Tukieka kando hii controversy ya Kiengei.
Yep.
Because tuseme tu kweli, Kiengei has proved that he's also one of the bishops that can never speak the truth.
Brown envelope.
And he has also proved that he's a bishop who can be controlled through money.
Absolutely.
Because the biggest thing that Ruto did in that church was to promise money.
Okay. Before you continue, what else do you want Ruto to promise?
Okay.
What else can Ruto promise? Isipokuwa pesa.
Isipokuwa nitaacha milioni 4 hapa.
Sita pale.
Alafu usikia.
Atemna basi mkujia kesho.
Alafu Ruto is a very dangerous person ukimwelelea shida zenyu.
Especially
ati na ukuje State House next week.
Yes.
Nikuandikie check.
Do you know?
Ati nitafanya ile kitu. As you had said earlier, William Ruto is wing Mount Kenya again.
Yes.
And William Ruto is wing Mount Kenya through the church again. And unajua wendi tu church, unaenda church iko na population kubwa.
Yes.
As much as Kiengei alikuwa amekataa that no politician
yes.
atawahi ongea kwa kanisa yake. Na mpaka specifically akasema hawa wenye wameua hawa vijana.
Yes.
Kwanza in fact alikuwa anaongea na dharau. Anasema utapata hawa wenye wameua vijana wakianza kuenda kanisa, ati wanajaribu kuenda kanisa.
Yes.
So William Ruto is doing Mount Kenya through money again, handouts.
Absolutely. But with handouts, Mount Kenya
again, if you want to woo Mount Kenya,
yes,
you go to the county that has the highest population.
Yep.
The highest population. So you want to vote.
Yes.
Yes. And Kiambu is Nidi. Kiambu is one of the highest populated counties in
the Mount Kenya region, yeah. I think people feels disappointed Kiengei ambayo disappoint.
Sana. He's a disappointment.
Like I was telling you that
Siwezi criticize mtu jua kuwa disappointed about
the moment I saw the poster that the president was to visit the JCM church, I knew it was a lie because I know the stand that Kiengei had put. And of course me, I know him as a firm person. Ni mtu mwenye akisema amesema. The moment niliona ki explain at he doesn't care. How?
No, pesa zimekuja, will you care? Can you imagine?
How?
Can you imagine? Mtu kwanza amekuambia leo kwanza nakupatia 4 million.
Hey.
Leo kabla nitoke hapa uko na 4 million. Alafu
Na 3 million every year.
Na 3 million.
For 3 years.
Yes.
3 million 3 years.
Kwanza unajua amefanya nini? Amekukeep close beyond the next election.
Kumanage.
So your kanisa mtakuwa mnapush agenda gani for the next 3 years?
JCM so far sahi ni ya UDA.
Alafu
Ni ya Ruto.
akarudi akasema akarudi akasema nilisikia hii uwanja yenyu hamjanunua bado, hii ya kujenga kanisa. You want to build a church.
Akamwambia peane account number.
Mtu akiwanunulia mahali pa kujenga kanisa, who do you owe from there on? You owe that guy.
Yes.
Basically mmeingia kwa mfuko yake.
Yes.
And as venye nilikuwa nakuambia earlier actually before hata tuanze podcast, venye nilisema aje,
Yes.
I won't be surprised if Kiengei in future runs for a political seat.
Yes.
And under a party kama you.
And actually it was said that Kiengei was to run he was to go for the Roiro MP seat. But kukakuwa na mvutano kati ya yeye na MP huyo na MP huko King'ara. Sasa what happened? Amepeana one of his friends ndio anasimama MP. Huyo mwenye ako na mandevu fulani. Huyo mwenye hairline huyo mwenye anapakanga dye kwa kichwa. Huyo rangi hairline imefika hapa. Huyo ndio anasimama sasa yeye. Huyo ndio sasa anavai kama MP.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see, I think the crowd ya pale JCM ndio inachochea msee simama MP, which is pale wenyewe hii church iko na crowd.
Wanamuonyesha already ako na kura kwanza starting.
Na hiyo basic kuna watu wengi, but bottom line is that the other churches, bishops, pastors wana feel like very disappointed na Kiengei.
I agree, and I also agree with the reverend and pastors out
Yes,
in
true,
water.
true.
That was a big failure on the part of the church.
But still it was expected. Kiengei is just a joker. It was coming. It was coming. It was coming.
As you had said earlier.
No, it was coming, bwana.
Maybe it is our view, ni yetu, but sometimes I think church, when umesema church is the only place where hata mtu anaweza kuonyesha mawe ya kuambie hii
ununue uende ukaombe.
Na mtu anaweza kuuzia handkerchief afanye nini. So I understand that a politicians
Yes.
kuja through the church kwa
Yes.
nini.